How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily turn on the professional mode on your Facebook account. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel. Now let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up Facebook application. And once you open up Facebook, you basically have to simply go ahead and find the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. So just tap on it, and then from here, you basically have to go to profile settings, tap on the three dots, and then here on your profile settings, you can find this option here, turn on professional mode. Tap on it, tap on turn on. So what it's going to do is you can get paid for your content, you can see your content insights, and then you can grow your audience easily. Tap on next, keep tapping next. You can choose your default audience as public, tap on next again, review your selection, confirm it, and then from here you could just go ahead and tap on next again. Keep tapping next. Now it will ask you to set up a profile frame. You can do it if you want, if not you can just skip it. Now just go to professional dashboard and you've successfully turned on the professional mode on Facebook. So that's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.